So we're looking here to the Bitcoin price. What's the last status? Let's look here more inside to understand here the structure. You can see we have here a wonderful uptrend is still active, and that means we have a little bit place to the upside. Um, you see also here in the chart the last manipulation. If you look here exactly, then you can see we touch here this line. And in my live stream, I said, okay, we have to, or the whales have the possibility to test here the low levels again. Exactly, this is happening here. And now we have here a situation in which we can see, okay, our downtrend is over. Let's look more inside to understand this exactly. If you look to this formation, then you can see that we have here uptrend, but you can also see that we have here this outbreak to the downside. So what possible is what we can maybe yeah predict, what a possible opportunity is that the whales put this price to the downside to 25,500 again. Yeah, then we have here I would say 3 times test. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and from this we have a good base so that the price can go to these places and um, yeah, then out of range. Yeah, this is the one one possibility what I would say. Yeah, but if you look here exactly, I go to the 30 minutes chart, then um, I would say that we are with our formations finished. That means we have to go to the upside from this position. But you know from the past, um, it is possible if you look to this structure. We test this here 1, 2, 3 times. Normally, we have to go here to the upside, but not trust ECC and the whales who manipulate the chart very hard. Let's look more inside. I want to understand here the structure exactly. Um, if is there a possibility that we get here this red line or not? Yeah. If I look to this, I would say clear no, but let's look. They can also put this price to the downside like this, and then it's finished. So we are here in a very critical area. If you say, okay, our downtrend, let's look to the downtrend, then you can see we are out of range. So we have to pump. Yeah, this is the message here from this Bitcoin video. So I think we have the possibility to pump here. But be careful. The whales can put the price to 25,600 again, so that we get here a good base, yeah, and then pump. But if I look here more inside and compare the patterns, so then I think we are out of range. Yeah, so we have to pump, yeah, especially this last um, formation give us the information we are at the end, so we have to pump, yeah. And then it's getting interesting because if we fulfill the condition here, the full condition, yeah, you can see we have a left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, so we have to pump. Then the next level is this year, 28,000. Um, it will happen very quick. You can see here also in the RSI a wonderful pattern. So if we going here to the upside, then you are maybe late to buy the crypto. Yeah. So the best time was yesterday. I think we will go out of range and the price will explode here. But maybe you are then too late. So I know many of you have altcoins, and as you see, manipulate this altcoins to the downside and say, okay, sand, mana, and so on. these cryptos will be listed, but exactly this SEC is 6 months later will say, okay, these cryptos are very interested and we will list this again. Yeah, so then they will pump. So not trust these people. I think if I look here to this last fragment, then I see here a really good potential to the upside. It will happen. The Bitcoin Club members have already the end target here. Um, let's look. Yeah, I'm here very interested what will happen here in the next days, but we can say here sure that is our last fragment. Yeah, it is already to 95% finished, and that what you see here is the last hammer. Yeah, you can see here very wonderful. This is our last hammer, and this is positive. Yeah, you can see. Let's look if we not drop to the downside and stay here at these levels. Yeah. Then I think we will get here a price rising like this. If we drop, yeah, this is could be also a manipulation. We saw this in the past. We break out here so that you think, okay, this is positive. Then the whales make this blue line here. Yeah, put the price down, make this, and then after this blue line, the red line is visible. Yeah. So be careful here. This is a place in which a huge manipulation can happen, but we can also see that we are at the end. That means we have to pump. Yeah. So have a nice day.